If you are affected by redundancy, support may be available. Whether you are at risk of redundancy or you have been made redundant, the Jobcentre Plus Rapid Response Team can help you. You can get help updating your CV, finding job opportunities, and accessing training to learn new skills. If you need financial support, then help may also be available. You may be eligible to get New Style Jobseeker's allowance if you are looking for work. If you have a health condition or a disability that limits your ability to work, you may be able to get New Style Employment and Support Allowance instead. If you and your partner have less than £16,000 in savings, you may also be able to get Universal Credit at the same time. Universal Credit can help you pay for essential costs like housing and household bills. Other financial support could also be available to you, such as council tax reductions. Use a benefits calculator to find all the support you could get at gov.uk/benefits-calculators. And contact the Rapid Response Team by emailing rrs.enquiries@dwp.gov.uk.